Good morning, everyone. So I'm here at Ceramic Pro in Milton. I brought my 2020 Honda GoldWing Tour DCT here to get it completely ceramic coated. I'll take you through the process and show you how it goes. So stay tuned and let's get started.
My bike is pretty dirty at this time as it has all these bugs stuck on it after a long 350 kilometers ride. The process of ceramic coating involves three stages. Stage one is washing and cleaning, stage two is the prep stage, and stage three is applying the ceramic coating to the bike. Let's start with stage one. Stage one takes about 45 minutes to an hour. This stage is hand washing the bike almost twice, applying the soap twice, scrubbing it, making sure to remove all the dirt marks, any bug marks, or any contamination with water that can be water and soap, I would say, that can be removed off the bike. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Also, make sure to leave your comments below and let me know what type of videos would you like to see from me in future, and also give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video at the end. I have to mention that ceramic coating is a very time-consuming process. Each process in each stage needs to be done very carefully, keeping in mind that when it goes on to the next stage, the previous stage work has been done and completed properly. Stage 2 is the preparation stage. This stage takes about 1 hour to 1.5 hours to complete. In this stage, a clay bar is used to remove any contamination that's left on the bike after the wash or any dust that's still there. The surface of the motorcycle needs to be wet while using the clay bar, or it leaves bad scratches and marks on the bike. As you can see, water is being sprayed slowly and the clay bar is being used very carefully to remove any contamination or dirt that's left on the bike. Once the clay bar process is done, and if you feel the surface of the bike, it's smooth as butter. Once the bike has gone through the clay bar process, now it's time to polish the bike. The bike is polished, and more specifically, since it's a brand new bike, just the areas which could be affected by riding the first couple of days that I was riding. So it's the front of the bike and the side. The last part in the second stage is spraying a paint preparation chemical on the bike and wiping it off on the surface. This is done right before the ceramic coating is applied. Stage 3 takes about 1 to 2 hours, and this is the last and final stage in the process of applying ceramic coating to the bike. As you can see, the ceramic coating is being applied to the seat of the bike, and this is where the process is started. One by one and slowly, each and every part of the motorcycle the coating is applied to. As you can see that Once the coating is applied, it's being wiped off within 30 seconds to a minute. The reason behind this is that this coating bonds with the motorcycle so quickly, and if there is any part where there is excess coating applied, it leaves a mark there. So once the coating is applied, it's necessary to wipe off any excess that's left on the paint. Two types of coatings are applied in this process. The first one is the ceramic coating. Once the coating is applied, it's given about an hour for it to cure and dry. Once that is done, the top coat is applied on top of this. Once the top coat is applied, the bike is ready and the coating is done. Now the process involves waiting for 24 hours before the motorcycle is delivered.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.